Hey everyone, are you looking for a relaxing and family-friendly place to stay and with a view of the Mayun volcano? Let me show you a peaceful spot that combines comfort, good food, and beautiful views. This is the Onju Hotel located at Bypass Road, Kamalig, Albay. Onju Hotel is one of the newest and most charming places to stay here in Kamalig, just a short drive from Legazpi City. As soon as you arrive, you'll feel the calm and cozy vibe. The hotel features a beautiful swimming pool, perfect for a refreshing dip after exploring Albay's attractions. Not only that, you have the best view of Mayun volcano while you take the dip at the swimming pool. Later on this vlog, we are going to check their rooms and see it for ourselves. For our little family fun, there's even a fish feeding area. The kids will love it. Next to it is the restaurant that serves a mix of Filipino favorites and local Bicolano dishes, so you can enjoy delicious meals without leaving the hotel. When it comes to rooms, they offer different types to fit your needs, from standard rooms for solo travelers or couples to spacious family rooms that can accommodate groups or your barkada. Now we are going to check the rooms and see it for ourselves what it looks like. First on the list is the Nipa Hut, good for 2 packs. It's a typical A-type room and it's a fun room. Next, we check the barangay room. This room has the capacity of 10 packs, but you can add up to 12 packs. You have to pay for the additional. It's a loft type kind of room, and there is a toilet and bath inside. Next is the Mayun View Room. Yes, it has the most majestic view in the area or in the hotel because when you wake up, you have the majestic Mayun volcano just in front of you. This room has the capacity of 6 packs. Also, the good thing about this room is that the toilet and bath are separate from each other and in the middle is a mirror. Some of the rooms we also check the Barkada room that has the capacity of 8 packs, the family room with a capacity of 4 packs, couple room with a capacity of 2 packs. If you're planning an event, seminar, or celebration, they also have a function room that's perfect for gatherings and special occasion. Their conference area can accommodate 25 packs, the restaurant area 50 packs, Garden Mayon 80 packs, and Onjo Grand Hall with 80 packs as well. Overall, Onjo Hotel gives you the homey Bicol experience, simple, warm, and relaxing, surrounded by nature and close to all the sites in Albay. So if you're visiting Albay soon, make sure to check out Onjo Hotel in Kamalig. You can find the booking link in the description or comments below. Thank you guys for watching. See you in Bicol. Bye!